What's up guys, you're watching the Sid Show, and if you're new on my channel then don't forget to subscribe and like. And today we're going to talk about the how to fix the PS4 CE-36244-9. It's a data corrupted error, and I'm just going to share my screen on my left side, and here we are at the screen. Just simply go to settings and scroll down. Here we are at the system software update. You must check the system software update. Sometimes the software is not to update, that's why you have corrupted files, and sometimes your system software also is corrupted. Then you just simply turn it off and turn off the PlayStation 4 and go to the safe mode. And you just reboot the database. I'm just going to suggest you. And here is the upload, downloads, and save data. You can delete the application, save data, and upload data. But I'm just going to suggest you just simply go to the safe mode and rebuild the database, and that's how you can fix this error and check the system software update and check the application update. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box, and see you soon for the next one.